about picking, what we're going to do is we're going to have two rappers on the show. Now, you might know them or you might not know them. What we're doing is we're putting them out there because they might just be the next big thing.
Okay.
So when they come on the show, Drew's going to pick. I was there to pick first.
No, you pick first.
You pick
first. Yeah.
I'm going to pick first. Then they battle. Then DJ Varosky selects, right?
Yeah.
The winner. So what are you looking out for in terms of rap? Because you work with a lot of rappers, right?
So, I mean, I'm looking for style, creativity, bars, and someone who can ride a beat. Ride a beat in the right
Ride the beat. What do you mean, ride the beat?
Ride a beat. Like,
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh,
Not
man.
like that. Drew's sport.
Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
she is. And that DJ is one tough judge. So if you're coming on the show, please be prepared. Okay, and the word, you've got your word for today?
I've got my word for today.
She's got a
I'm
word for
ready now.
today. So I think with some music,
No,
we're going to get our two rappers out on the stage.
Oh,
And we're going to go.
let's go. Hey, oh, where's my rappers?
What
All
you
right. Nice.
I
Aish, where's your energy? Where's your energy? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you really like about to win this competition?
What's up? So who you going to pick? You said I should pick, but I mean, I can't do this.
I said you should pick, but I'll pick. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a burglar by his toe. You.
Okay.
Really?
So now I know you guys are wondering what's going on. Now this, like I always say, is the platform for you to express yourself. You're going to rap, and you're going to be on her side, you're going to be on my side. So you're coming to defend me. He said, no, if you let
I'm
me down.
trusting you. Come here.
Yeah,
Come
so you
come
go
closer.
there. You go there. Come through.
Right,
come through,
now,
come through.
so this is your camera when you're rapping. What's your name? Where you from?
My name is Dewormah. The name is Dewormah. Dewormah.
Dewormah. Wow, when was the last time you dewormed?
Me myself, I'm a Dewormah, so yeah.
He doesn't need to.
Cool. All right, nice. Dewormah, I'm trusting you.
Count.
Right now, Team Drew, we're backing you right now, so don't
Really?
disappoint.
Nah,
Cool.
they ain't got it. Anyways, you know, I get the best rappers on the show. Now, my man is looking flat. I got the coolest looking guys, man. like they've got the bars on point. Anyways, your name, your hood, and everything else.
Yo, Phrame, the lyric call me your prison flow with me from the bass on bass.
Eesh.
I mean, we've already won. Versi, can we is it over now?
You better do it.
Is it over?
Relax
Yeah, it's
yourself.
over, it's over.
Okay. So, one more time, Varosky, can you let our lovely contestants know what you're looking out for today?
Yeah, like I said earlier on, I'm looking for style, bars, and you know you're a rapper, so punchlines, I mean, right on the beat. Like with
Okay.
the breaks and everything. So let's kill it. Let's
Exactly.
get them hardcore.
So there's 3 rounds. First round is your warm-up. Second round, you need to start coming for each other. Third round, I'm going to give you a random word and you both need to freestyle. Okay? All right.
So you ready?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
got
we're ready,
this.
man.
Okay,
We're
yeah.
ready.
All right,
We're
I'm
ready.
going to go to the back, yeah?
Okay, so
take center stage.
this
the
is
two
your
of you.
stage.
Come
Yeah,
on.
you know.
So who's
Okay.
going first?
Ooh.
Who's going first?
Don't worry, I'll take it.
All right, Dewormah, let's do
Okay,
this.
Dewormah, you got this.
Count. Yo, freestyle assassinate. Counting. Ring the building. Dewormah. DJ Varosky with a beat. Count. Let me get it now. Wanna trouble quano no. Wanna trouble pono no. Demand right and wanna no. Shame quana menfaso. Secretana mendaso. Family when you finya yesu moja kawa pampaso. Skates me to stay right. Hello be the name. Do you go the same? Do you gonna die? Do you gonna write on the rights? Criticize, sacrifice. Kiss microphone. So get them in the microphones. They're gonna be asking me questions. I'm the best lyric experiments. God is moves. I just wanna be the confirmation rap addict. I just wanna be the confirmation rap addict. Used to be grinding, but she's already understand addict. More faces. Be the best now. Check the microphones from the underground TikTok. I'm the lyric experience. I'm on the mommy. You great straight out from the underground like big ball. More faces. Lyric experience. I'm in the mommy. You dope stokes. No engines. Low engines. Straight from the underground. Took time to become underground for the milkshakes. Blow wings. Counting in the building.
Fire.
Come on.
Dewormah.
All right,
fire.
Dewormah.
Counting.
That's
So
what's
you
up.
ready?
Next one.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Phrame. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in to make history in the industry. Last time I checked, now it's a mini competition on a mission. Tico fake MCs move Kimedi. Bass was I feel where they move titi. Many rapper yasa Santa Mani Friday ye. Klemikin so some more young quack wine if ye. You're so kimano, is he hatamano if ye. Somewhere you go fish show me the boys insane. Take a look at me now with your juice. When I'm gonna pitch chicken in farm, but show me bizarre. The rap house, check it out. When you me veggie that were hot. Then man now, so fly like my son and me. me rate or underrate. The boy in career, and yes, I you go pay your rate at the gate. I know the joke, I know be funny. First, I don't know what you my city center, you the masturbate. Double me check my floor with on fire. No need to be collusious to put my empire. My brother, this a kid and I'm a day, massa, and your casa. Will be me, and hammer, man.
Yo, he said, I know the joke, I know be funny face. You ain't here to play, man. He said, no the joke, you know be funny face. You ain't here to play, man. You ain't here to play, man.
I'm liking the vibes so far. This is a real competition.
It's gonna shut the crowd down.
Second round. Let me
Okay,
dance.
but what do you think? You cool?
Yeah, actually, like
You're feeling it.
Let me just reserve my comments. But these guys are dope.
Okay.
All right,
So now the second round, we need you guys to face each other. Energy, you know.
Yeah.
This ain't a game because your fans are watching, and this platform might get you out there even more. So more fire, you know. But I still want you to win. So all right, take it away.
Right, so you could go first. Okay. Let go.
Yeah, Phrame. Yeah, hey, yeah, okay. As I be 13, then I don't roll with 30, so older than me. Oh yeah, I be OG, Missy Munyane. With your rest, even no drop, Papa, you arrested, you're nothing, I won't Papa, so my me pay you for it, break me, I'm a bulldog with a bone. Nothing can stop me. Who come my pen, Baba, they be until we succeed. Japana Mumia and share from the Yanabe tree. One for Penasha, I say to my name, Baba G. I get hope like the blind, who the axe of mirror. Humble like a sheep, me come and one business, a boy. Hustler, me never climb be okay with that shit. When you mean comedian, Trace, and that's all. And you know what would you man, Trace, when the Minyansa, who see when you know I would dominate 2 teens. Best rapper in here, where they say Ken Kenkwa, Majime Nime Pumato, Yaka and Frama. I do you feeling me what is MXBEATZ pen away you with the Messinipi, brand new rappers, Nanya Kala, Remoje, Beku favorite rapper, Tosani tree part, you control streets, my Yesepoti, Slowly Jinasos upon start it, Punch a lyrical, I know they use my precious face, the
Time's up.
All
right, D1's about to warm you.
You know.
Okay.
We're in the building.
Let go.
Okay, let me drop some punches.
Are you ready now?
Let me drop
Let's
some
do
punches.
this.
I'm ready, Varos.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wow, you trying to intimidate that the whole show. Me baha can be the say empty pool. Lyric experiments I made the man was doing it too. My tremor tone, that be the sex that down the door. My say baby I rap on no jabbers and cranny door. I saw my salmon doing the movie and me cranny flows. Gas microphones already stop this. Me see they get to talk as a possible money. They call me the woman the echo. That you bend my party. You bullet for that. We got in the bush with number ready. To talk about the possible Grammy. I'm the best lyric experiments I made the man with dough from the underground. Timings, careful, who stop the antics. Lyric experiments I made the man with the grunches. Cake scrappers, big six, down Instagram accounts. Yeah, what's my 2 days? Lyric experiments I'm gonna call down my shoelace. Can't flow, used to rap like the key snakes. 1 pages, Pentagon, X6, Pentagon, the Bexes. Wanna try more rapper now, we'll say we be actors. Round lyric experiments I made the man with dope X. Dope rapper in the wall, used to rap is dope. I'm Bexes, and stay that sex rap on the door so my time I'm the lotion gowns microphones already lyric experience I made the mom who's straight down from the underground so the bullshit.
Okay. Now
counting in the building.
That's my guy.
I don't know how Varos is gonna pick a winner, but
Because
this has to be our toughest battle.
very, very tight. I'm not gonna lie. Very tight.
This is tough.
They put more pressure on
Varos,
me.
you're in trouble today.
Eesh.
I don't know how you're gonna pick.
Eesh.
But I'm still winning. You know, Varos, we
We'll
spoke
see.
before the show. I'm winning.
We'll see. Okay, all right. It's time for the third round.
So Drew, you have to pick a word.
I have to pick the word. I mean, the word that I had in mind, I feel like throwing it away. Okay, the word is...
Everybody wait. Drum roll.
Tripod.
Tripod.
Random.
What's tripod?
Tripod. You know what tripod is?
Yeah.
Yes, you use
You
it.
know this girl should never be an examiner in her life.
Nah.
How'd you give 2 rappers tripod
Yes.
to rap with?
I want to
Some
see
groovy.
how you can use that word. Okay?
Okay, Varoski, would you want to go first? Dewormah?
I mean, Dewormah is going first. But
Okay,
I
Alright.
mean,
okay,
I
okay.
think they're all cool. So
Alright.
I just
You
want
said a tripod, right?
Tripod.
So this is the
Dewormah.
3rd and final round.
Counting.
After this,
Varoski, I'm
Varoski.
ready
All
for
right,
you.
so I mean, I think you guys are dope. I just want us to go something different. Let's see how you guys can be creative with this.
All
Let's
right.
stop it like this.
Counting.
Whoa.
Fully
Okay,
jabs
let's
on the
go.
stick deep. Wild Lord. Counting the wormer. That is a tripod. Like an iPod. Greedy balls looks like an eyeballs. I just wanna be the confirmation calm. And the mama did your deep straight from my eye count.
What?
I'm the light talked. Microphones I'm already now. Lyric experiments I read it from the underground. No type be the big sound it down it now. I just keep it up the piece from the credit now. Crossing I was needed now. Tripod, I was stealing like a shoe board. Next, keep it up the ground for me, play me shots. Got this microphone already, yeah, my keep it torch. Pigs next, used to be grinding this in the mig. I just want a piece of my lady
Let's
Nick.
go.
Kill the crazy rappers on any leg. So last night, the mother rather change me. I'm dancing up to shake some already, never ganging. Tripod, shall me read it on my eyeball. Low lyric conspiracy from my icon. Next cable off the beat, but I'm TikTok. Catching numbers in the woman Nick this. K6.
Okay.
I just wanna be them on the
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah, that was right.
That was Dewormah, guys.
That was
Counting with the building
Okay.
and
We're
every
ready for this.
Dewormah.
I feel
Like we're laughing it off. Like we're ready.
Let it go. Show
Like
them
we're
what you
laughing it
got.
off.
Last opportunity, my guy.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Frame. Yeah. Frame. Okay. Intimate na say your frame. Yeah. Be your storyteller. Into now, be your man against seven on the spit rapping. Yeah. T. Now tripod. Be your home say tripod. Oh Lord.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, yeah. T. Nah. Me say tripod. Be your home say tripod. Oh Lord. Send them if I spit to rapping now. So Charlie, this one they make it take.
Okay, let me handle it. Varoski, let me handle this small.
Yeesh.
Yeah. Like a tripod, like an icon. I just wanna be the coffee message lines gone. Lamb still bigs, fell on the do 6. So last night the more to change me, but I'm so strong. Came back from the underground with TikTok. Lyric experiments, I made the mama TikTok. Put the ground dances. Can it double rip it, double steady there. Counting with the building.
Thank you.
So
Varoski, it's your.
I mean, Phrame made it easy for me. I mean, because it was a tie around 2.
Counting.
But I mean, Dewormah took it. So
Counting with the
Dewormah,
building.
you know?
Counting. Big shout out goes to Tag Nation.
Can Miss Drew
what
go
nation?
away?
Tag Nation.
Tag Nation, big ups, Tag Nation.
Miss Drew,
We
bye.
love that.
Bye.
Thank
Counting
you.
in the building.
Now, Dewormah, I just want to know, is like Sokoja your inspiration or?
Yeah, Shego is my inspiration. I'm a tight rapper and I'm upcoming artist. And what I'm bringing to February, January is gonna be something different. Yeah,
Nice, I like that.
it's gonna be something real.
Well,
but
go on.
you know, please, I want Varoski to drop me a drill beat, only 1 minute.
One beat, yeah,
Wow.
you have to.
Begging.
Okay, this is like the victory lap, right?
This is
Yeah.
the victory.
Alright,
So
that's
now
right.
you've
A
won.
drill beat.
So go to the middle. That's
Yeah.
your camera.
Yeah,
and
count.
with the beat,
You ready?
I'm ready for
let go.
counting y'all when I brought it. Counting.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey.
This year the way mama charge it. Masara to Gwen Kuna Mamma the Champion Sadavi. Rapping the 2 to Sagari. The someone leg is gonna stop me. So last night the mother that changed me. As I said, the woman you fine. Me so AC, they will sell it fine. The same so tight with the tear gas. Again, you found it to Satata box. More for the wood when I shout out. Tabo than the ace when I pound out. Shout out to my brother Ken Sack. Brother, you be legend of the tracks. Shout out to my cocky smoke. Brother, you be G, you be dope. The way my man, you know the joke. I be safe under the popes. 2020, I bear for. When you got to cry, we go soak. Please pour me, just a wannabe. I'm making senses. You're talking nonsense. Blow with a minute, stop your piece. You can streak and everyone top of the wood band. Coco people, I know they're here. I ran to come over there. No, here to my bed. Yeah, what time with that ball style, we can toss decks. Seek the brown, you can pro decks. Lazy range, you want pro decks. Varoski, take that. Take that. Take that.
Love it,
Nice
love
one.
it,
Thank
love it.
But we have to let
love
Frame
it.
talk. I mean, tell
Yes.
your friend, this happens. This happens, you know, this happens. Anyways, what you want to tell people who support you, your music, a little bit about Frame, man?
I just want to thank them and then keep following good music. You feel me? Bring Your album was released 2 years ago. I'm still working on another album, so you guys should watch out.
Yeah.
Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on IG, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Frame GH, PHRAME GH.
Rick,
Nice.
so you said your Instagram. Where can we find you on Instagram?
Yeah, man. All the social media handles. Facebook, Dewormah. Instagram, Dewormah. Every place, Dewormah.
Where did the Dewormah come from? What did you
Yes.
guys
The
want?
Dewormah is a Greek name of cogs. This is not the normal medicine Dewormah. This is DE and speaks. Then Dewormah is WORMAH. That's Dewormah.
I think he's making his opponents run, so they need to run. You know?
Big shout out goes to Tag Nation.
All right, Jason.
You want me to battle on the show? No, he's making his opponents Anyway, shout out to these guys, man.
Country.
Shout out to my man DJ Vorosky. You know, he's got the best beats on lock. Please, please support these artists. Support these guys. They do this, they love this, they make music, and they're trying their very hardest. Mystery, what we got next?
So yes, if you feel like you have what it takes, then please do get in contact with us on all of our social media platforms. MX24GH, send a message, send us an email. You never know, it could be you going head to head with somebody else.